Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to search for a particular character user on Charecter AI. Let's begin with today's tutorial. Let's begin. Over here you can see the option of explore. Tap on it. Over here you can see the option of search, or what you can do is what type of results do you want: features, voice, groups, helpers, anime, game characters, games, anime, game characters, books, comedy. I'll tap on comedy. I would like to search for Elon Musk, so I've got one over here, so I'll tap on it, and here I can chat with Elon Musk for now. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.